available balance 00. And at the bottom of the page, the footer is Capitec Bank is an authorized financial services, in brackets FSP 4 6669 and close bracket, and registered credit provider, open bracket, NCR CP13 close bracket, Capitec Bank Limited registration number 1980/003695/06. That's page 3 of 3. Unique document number 7937 166 1686 E466 4487 86 A47 EFD1EA 5C stroke 204 stroke V 001 stroke 04 stroke 2018, and then in brackets DDMMMCCYY close bracket. That is the end of the exhibit. I'll proceed to another exhibit.
It's on page?
I'll just refer the code
7.
now.
Yeah, you say you are through with page 17. No?
Yes. Then I will move to page 11 of 14.
Sorry, for my edification. On page 4 of 14, right? I just want to understand, because I see the ID, alleged ID, identity document of Mr. Ntanzi.
That's correct, my lord.
Yeah, and I also see the photo. I take it it's his.
That's correct.
Who placed these documents in the spec? Meaning, is it the bank? Did you get them from the bank? Or where do you get these documents from?
That is correct. It's from the bank, my lord. It comes with
that's not clear for me. So it is the bank that, when they were opening the account, they took a photocopy of the ID.
That's correct, my lord.
And they also took a photo of Mr. Ntanzi.
That is correct.
Now, who is going to confirm that? Because now Mr. Ntanzi is alone there.
Mr. Ntanzi, inkantolo ifuna ukwazi ngoba ibona isithombe laphayana.
My lord, Ntanzi is for Mr. Ramsipile.
Oh, sorry. Mr. Ramsipile, yeah.
Thank you.
Just take instructions here. Because for me it was confusing. When we were opening banking accounts, they just told you, bring the ID, and that was it. What do you want? Oh, the coloring. Sorry. Yeah. No, it's that one. I'm just worried about the...
it's what the person from the bank will come and verify, because he concedes that he does supply his ID and then a copy is made upon application. But this second photo, the color one, the one
in the
below.
bank. It's in the bank. You can take instructions. Did they ever take, I mean, I just want to understand.
Yes.
Did they take his photo? If they didn't, that's all he has to tell the court.
Yes.
They didn't take the photo. Because it's inside the, Mr. Sibanda, where is this photo? Yes, I see it.
It's inside the bank, my lord.
Yeah, just have a look at it. So if he had never went to the bank, because that's maybe his defense, fine. Rose. Because Mr. Sibande, he's supposed to have explained this to the court. He just started reading the statements.
As the court places, my lord, my instructions are that he confirms that the photo, it's him depicted on this photo. Whether or not the photo was taken, he was not appraised that
Okay, fine.
An additional photo was being taken.
Fine, okay.
ummeli wakho uyachazela inkantolo ke Mr Ntanzi ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi impela wena kwisithombe ukuthi ke babethobela isithombe noma babenzani awukazi ukutshelwe ke lokho.
Yes.
Confirms man.
As the court, please. I'll proceed on page 11, my lord.
Page?
11.
Yeah.
Annex such affidavit in terms of section 236 of Act 51 of 1977, exposition of accounting records and or documents attached hereto. ID number 860110562086 is linked to the below account. 7. Copies of the bank statements of savings account of client Mr. Fisokutle Ntuli, being account number 2164071049. Statement for the period 2014-01/01/01 to 2015/06/30, being account number 1165614071. Statement for the period 2014-01 to 2015/06/30. 4. These were the only transactions for the period requested. 8. Copies of extracted particulars of the account holder. A. Client information. B. Copy of ID document. Please note that there's no bank statement for account number 2164071049 as the account was opened after the bank statement dates requested. D. Account number 165614071 was the main account that the above mentioned client was using during the time and dates requested. The deponent signed, Commissioner of Oath also signed, Commissioner of Oath signed, and then in the Republic of South Africa, full names Yuvir Dibeser, designation admitted attorney, ex officio, Republic of South Africa, date Tuesday 9 April 2024, place Capitec Bank, business address 60 Main Street, Johannesburg. And on page 12, my lord, I also want to place it on record that there was some consensus with the defense counsel for accused number 5 regarding the document, and as such, the state will only put certain information on record. The information is not disputed by the defense.
Okay.
I'll start at the bottom, on top rather. First Lawrence case 636 of 10/2014. account number is 21640771049, then space ZA, status open, branch number 9005, account type is a savings account, and then account name, yes, savings account, customer name, Mr. Fisokule Ntuli, and then space F, phone, resident 073 3059202, open date 20 August 2023, current balance 29,372.96. Then I'll move to the second account, 1165614471, space ZA, status closed, branch number 4194, account type savings account, account name savings account, customer name Mr. Fisoko Ntuli, space, then F, phone resident 073 3059202, open date 9 February 2008, interest from date 1 May 2021, last financial date 2 May 2021. My lord, the details that I put is the same details that the bank indicated on paragraph D on page 11. That is the main account.
Yeah.
And on page 13, the state will put the following information on record. Last name, Ntuli, initials, F, ID number. It's on record. I won't place it on record. Is there, just for the privacy of the accused person. It ends with 086. Address. It's an address that is in Dingeni, just for also for the safety of the accused person as well. I won't place it on record.
Sorry, my lord. My lord, we have just given the consent to the state that the document may be admitted by consent. There is no need to read the information contained on these spaces into the record, my lord.
Is it by consent or section 220? I'm asking, is it in terms of section 220 or by consent?
It's both, my lord, because it's
It can't be both. It has to be 220 if it's admitted as it is.
My lord, I thought the state was reading this information in terms of
I
section.
don't know what you agreed. I'm just saying the law says if you admit a document which is tendered as evidence, you admit it in terms of section 220. That's how that I know.
That's correct, my lord.
Yeah,
however, in this case, my lord, the state is reading this information in terms of
fine, I hear you.
in terms of section 236, and section 236 says the mere production of the record, my lord. Therefore, we're consenting to that to say the mere production. We consent. We can submit the record by consent.
Is it by consent of section 220? The state, because Ms. Chololo says
it should
you
be by
agree.
section 220.
Hello?
It should be done by way of section 220 admissions.
It has to be done, unless you give me an authority that you can admit evidence by consent. I don't know of that exigence. Mr. Sibanda, you've got 220 there.
I don't have section 220, my lord.
Mr. Baloyi has it. And then section 220 says once you have admitted a document in terms of section 220, then the state is not obliged to prove the contents of that document.
We don't have a problem, my lord. We admit to that.
220, fine, okay.
Mnumzana uNtuli-ke bekufundwa lana imininingwane-ke mayelana nebhange ama-account avulwa nini. Ummeli wakho seyasukuma-ke ethi asikho isidingo-ke sokuthi umshushisi akufundeke lokhu bebesebevumelene-ke becabanga nje ukuthi kuphela umshushisi uzolidlulisa lamaphepha la nale mininingwane. So uthi-ke asikho isidingo sokuthi kungafundwa lokhu ngoba bavumelene ngakho. Manje magama aniphikisani nako. So confirms.
I just want to get guidance from the court. Must I then?
What's that?
I just want to get indication from the court. Must I wait so that we can sort out the issue of Section 220 admissions, or must
no,
I?
Mr. Sololo agrees to 220. Am I correct?
I've agreed, my lord.
Yeah.
That's the name of the accused person opened the account as per the details contained in this statement, and the information contained therefore is admitted, my lord.
Okay,
As
which is
correct.
on page, as you say, page 13. Is that so?
That is correct, my lord.
Yes, my lord, page 13.
Okay.
Page 13, 12. It's page 11, 12, and 13, my lord.
So
That
it's 11,
refers to 11,
12,
12, and 13.
and 13.
It refers to the bank account that was opened under the name of accused number 5, Mr. Ntuli, my lord.
Okay.
And it bears the account number which was active, and also the one that was inactive.
Yeah.
And it also bears the number, cell phone number, which is the most important thing, that was given by accused number 5 at the time when he opened this account.
Okay.
And the address there too. That's all, my lord. Thank you.
Lama page kalandelayo 11,
Yeah.
12 no 13 anemininingwane yakho-ke igama owayevula i-account lena, i-cellphone number, ikheli lakho, ukuthi leyo mininingwane leyo iloko-ke eningaphikisaniyo nako-ke.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, I want to then proceed with the documents. I just want to check from my colleague the transactions as on page 18 and 19 and 20. Are they also admitted so that I can save time?
You say the transactions?
On page 18, 19 and
Page
20.
18, 19, and 20.
That's
Yes.
correct, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Mshololo?
My lord, I confirm, maybe just to make it easier for the court, that the records from page 11, 12, and 13, they are for the NetBank account.
Okay.
And then the records from page 18, 19, and 20 are from the Capitec account.
Okay.
The information content there too, referring to Mr. Ntuli, we confirm that it is correct. We admit it by consent.
Okay.
Kulama page-ke 11, 12 no 13 akhuluma-ke nge-account lena yase-Nedbank bese kuthi u-18, 19 no 20 lama transactions ekhuluma ngawo-ke i-Capitec account yona-ke futhi-ke noma-ke ama-account-ke akhe uMnisi Ntuli lokho siyavumelana nakho.
I just want to clarify something on record. We're still busy with Capitec Bank. We have not started with NetBank. So I think my colleague made a mistake. It's page 11, 12, and 13 is still Capitec.
Yeah, then it says 18. Sorry, 11, 12, it's NetBank, you said.
It's Capitec.
Sorry. Page 11, 12, and 13 is which bank?
Capitec Bank.
Not NetBank. Capitec. Ms. Mshololo, is that Capitec? Because I heard you say NetBank. And then you said Capitec is 18, 19, and 20.
My lord, I was under the impression that it is NetBank.
Okay, so 11, 12, and 13.
Yes.
It's what?
Capitec Bank.
Capitec.
Capitec.
Not
Capitec.
Capitec, not NetBank.
That's
Fine.
the
Okay.
Njengoba bethe ummeli-ke 11, 12 no 13 ukhuluma ngo-Nedbank akukho kanjalo-ke ku-page 11, 12 no 13 yona-ke i-account le yase-Capitec ukuthi umshushisi akakafiki-ke ku-Nedbank.
Yes, sir, please. Now I will move to page 8, 9, and 14 with regard to accused number 4, and Mr. Ngumalo also gave an indication that he will admit such documents. I just want to get the relevant bank statement for that period.
So it's page?
Page 8.
8.
9, 10.
8, 9, 10.
Not 14.
Is it in respect of Mr. Mapisa?
That's correct, Mr. Mapisa.
Dlula-ke manje mshushisi aye ku page 8 to 9 no 10 umayelana naye-ke uMr Mapisa futhi uma ekhulumisana naye-ke u-advocate Nxumalo naye ushilo-ke ukuthi-ke abazophikisana nayo-ke imininingwane le.
You confirm that you have agreed that page 8, 9, and 10 in respect of your client's account it's account number 2248229786. I see there are two account numbers here. And then there's another account which is 13920845553. Are you referring to the two accounts or which account?
My Lord, firstly, I confirm that the two accounts.
Two accounts?
Yes, the two accounts
Right.
are in respect of my client, Mr. Mapisa.
Right.
Yes, I also confirm the correctness of the address as well as the cell phone number provided.
In terms of section 220?
In terms of section 220 of the Criminal Procedure Act.
Okay, thank you.
I also confirm the entries of the bank statement.
Yeah.
Yes, in terms of section 220
Okay,
of the Criminal Procedure Act.
Okokuqala-ke ngifuna ukuthi lama account amabili-ke ngiyawavuma-ke ukuthi-ke yiwona ama-account akhe umnumzana uMapisa kanye nayo-ke imininingwane ebhaliwe-ke lapha mayelana ne-account leyo kanye ne-cellphone number ebhaliwe negama lakhe-ke siyavumelana-ke naloko asiphikisani nako.
My Lord, may I also add that the state was interested in the entries of the 26th of October 2014 and the 27th of October
26th of October
and 27th
and
of
27.
October 2014, of which we also admit.
You admit them?
Yes,
Yeah.
in terms of section 220 of the Criminal Procedure
Okay.
Act, 51 of 1977.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Ngiyafuna-ke nokusho ukuthi umbuso wona-ke ububheke kakhulu-ke noma unake loko okwenzeka-ke kuyona i-account lena ngazo i-26 kanye ne-27 ku-October 2014.
Okay, it is so admitted then.
Just for sake of the record, the bank statement appears from page 18 to page 25 of Exhibit EE2. EEE2
From page 18
to 25. In relation to, my apologies, 21 to 25, my apologies, my lord.
Hello?
21 to 25.
So it's not on 18.
It's 21, my apologies.
Page 21.
21 to 1 to
25.
25.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
As the court, please. My lord, I want to move now to Exhibit EEE4. It will now appear at the end of page 25. I'm going to start now new Exhibit 1. It's a 236 statement from NetBank. Bank, I'm not sure if Ms. Mshololo has instructions to admit this documents on behalf of Mr. Mngomezulu.
Yes, Mr. Governor.
I don't have such instructions, man.
Yeah. He says he doesn't have the instructions. But Mr. Mngomezulu said, Ms. Msholololo will stand on my stead. And I explained what that means legally to Mr. Miyeki.
My Lord, maybe if I can just ask for a short adjournment to call him and
call
take
him.
instructions.
Because he gives you the mandate, his mandate. He transmits and transfers it to you to do in his stead what he would have done.
That's the court business.
That's what his letter says anyway. If you read it. Because he says, please note that Mr. Mngomezulu relays the message as follows: that the proceedings may proceed in his absence, as Advocate Mshololo will stand in for him. It's not me saying that. You'll call me when you're ready.
Liyaqhubeka icala enkantolo enkulu yasePretoria.